Jai Hind everyone. So today you are given a topic Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, and first you have to complete introduction of 30 second, and after completion the topic of 30 second, and then you are perform the GT before asking anyone who will going to start the GT. That will be check your leadership quality. Okay, so first start the topic Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. The chest number 44.
Yes, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Jiten. My father name is Mr. Chandraprakash Sharma. I am from Kanpur, Dehad. I have completed my 12th from UP Board. At present, I am pursuing Polytechnic Diploma in Computer Science Engineering. I want to join Indian Armed Forces because I am deeply inspired by its uniform, teamwork, and feeling of working as a family. That's motivates me to build a bright future. Dear friends, in my opinion, this topic is related to Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. This topic is related to Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. It is Indian campaign. It was launched by government in 2015, and it also talk about gender equality. And with the help of this schemes, we can promote female. Its main motive to reduce female forticides and infanticides. And as you know that, as you know that women are at the work that women are.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Arnavas. I am from Jaswantnagar, Etawah. I have done my 10 plus 2 from UP Board and currently I am pursuing BSc Agriculture from Kanpur University. My father, Mr. Mohammad Ali, is a blacksmith. I want to join Indian Armed Forces because its uniform and working as a family attracts me a lot. Moreover, it's my first step in my life. To make my career bright. So coming towards our topic that affects all of us in some aspect, like social aspect. The topic is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme. The Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme is first launched in our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 22nd January in 2015. This is the initiative. This is not a slogan. This is the initiative that supports our whole communities, and that launched in Panipat, Haryana. Their sex ratio is decreasing day by day. But after launching the scheme, the sex ratio enhanced by 23 points in Haryana, and our average sex ratios in all over the countries in 1943 is according to 2021 census. This is good, and after our launch scheme, the result is very good.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Gaurav Yadav from Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. Basically, I have completed 10 plus 2 from State Board. Now I am pursuing graduation from State University. There are 4 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I have one sibling. I want to join Indian Air Force because the uniform and working as a family attracts me a lot. Now I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to us, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a national campaign which is held by the Indian government in 22 January 2015. It is not a slogan, it is a movement, and everyone wants to support in maximum ratio. And according to the census 2011, the child sex ratio 19.9 in per thousands boys, and which is lower.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Abhishek Singh. I hail from Kanpur, Dehad. I have completed 10 plus 2 from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing Bachelor of Science from Kanpur University. My father is farmer. My mother is dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because to serve our nation and inspired by its uniform teamwork, which motivates me to build a bright future. Now I would like to discuss about the topic Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Padhao Beti Bachao. It is not just a slogan. It is a slogan where government and all people support in all form. And Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, it is a national campaign which is launched by 2015 by Honorable PM Narendra Modi in the state of Panipat, Haryana. And its aim to reduce gender equality and women's females infanticide and feticide. Also promotes.
First of all, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sonu Yadav. I am from Badayun, Uttar Pradesh. Basically, I have completed my 10 plus 2 from UP Board. Currently, I am pursuing graduation from MJP RU. My father is a farmer. My mother is a dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because I am deeply inspired by its uniform and working like a family. Moreover, it is my first step to make my career brighten up. Now coming to the topic which I will assign to me, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a national campaign launched by the Indian government in 2015. It is a very important step of government to reduce the female infanticide, feticide, and also the sex selective abortion. We can say that according to the data of census, sex ratio in India declining. But after implementing the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao initiative, it was enhancing by 23 points. It is also it will also help us to generate equality and provide girls education. So we can see that it's positive.
First of all, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Raman Singh. I am from Kanpur Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10 plus 2 from UP board and currently I am pursuing BSc from Kanpur University. My father, Mr. Ravindra Kumar, is a farmer. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's uniform and working as a family attracts me a lot. Moreover, it is my first step in my life to make my career bright. Coming towards our topic that has been given to us. The topic name is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a national campaign launched by our government in 2015 in Panipat, Haryana. This scheme promotes the gender equality and it promotes gender. It promote it decreases it decrease female feticide and promote educating a girl and support a girl to financially.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Abhinav from Kanpur. I am 20 years old with graduation from Kanpur University. I have 5 siblings. My father's name Letjayam and my mother's Mrs. Lakshmi Devi. I am passionate about badminton and kabaddi. Now coming to the topic which is assigned to us, I would like to share my thoughts with you on an important topic is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is a most popular welfare scheme. Its meaning is educate the girl and save the girl. The program was started on 22nd January 2015. It at Panipat. The scheme launched by our Honorable Prime Minister of India. Thus, this is especially Haryana because this is national campaign for India and which has gained international levels the most popular.
Nice. So first of all, Jai Hind everyone. My name is Sangam Singh. Basically, I am from Kanpur, UP. I have done my schooling from UP board and currently am pursuing Bachelor of Science. My father is a farmer and mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and volleyball. I am cordial in nature and an optimistic person. I want to join Indian Air Force because it will give me a secure career and also I want to support my family financially and make my parents proud. So today's our topic is Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. Dear friends, as we know that this topic is related to the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign. This campaign is started by our Prime Minister, Honorable Mr. Narendra Modi in Panipat, Haryana. And this topic need us because we know that we educate a man. You only educate a man, and if you educate a woman, you educate a whole generation. And this topic is promote our gender equality and reduce gender discrimination, and also social issues like dowry system and the child marriage also reduce it. This campaign.
Perfect. So here we go for you. Yes.
So, yes, and that is spread awareness and common people to save the girl child because they're reducing completely reducing female feticide in India.
Yes, gentlemen, how to we can stand the women in our society and the perception of the society. I agree with you. Girls are not allowed to go outside for study and work.
Yeah, dear friend, census now 46, and our today recently our female Olympian Sasi Malik is the now brand ambassador of the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign.
Yes, people knows the Beti is known as assets, not liabilities.
As you know that in our nation, at the one side women are compared as a goddess, on the other side women are faced as a
and the woman is nowadays not only work at home, and woman is now ready to take a combat role in the army in our forces.
Yes, and I agree with that. I do it some part because it promotes gender equality. Our government promote girls because they very famous slogan है पढ़ी लिखी लड़की रोशनी करके and सब बड़े very and many
Number 34 has mentioned that many government even parallel lines, Banyas Yojana and many Jan Dhan Yojanas are
Beti Bachao Beti Padhao
efforts of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao.
To provide the girls education quality and also them equality of rights.
Yes,
Yes, number 46, I agree with you and want to add a point that today we are discussing about the Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. This is the concerning point.
Yes,
Like
yes,
like
number 39,
the sex ratio is decreasing day by day because of people thought the boy is better than a girl.
Yes, number 39, I agree with you. I want to add some
But
point.
other people of Indian society have a very rude mindset of girl child because they burden of their life.
Yes, Article 24, I agree with you. In my opinion, declining sex ratio day by day, it's 945 out of
Yes, like you mentioned that it is enhancing point that 2010 is 933 and 2021 is 943. This is good.
Yes, gentlemen,
I want to add a point. It is a very good initiative to eradicate the perception of societies, and also they are thinking that girls are not allowed for defense sectors and also in working towards it.
Yes,
become first fighter pilot.
Yes, yes, gentlemen. With the help of this scheme, women also participate in many defense sector, army, air force, navy. If you talk about the Agni Chaturvedi, this ladies this is the first fighter.
We can say that also in games in Olympics, Manu Bhaker got 2 medals, and also there are many girls are in sports like Hima Das and also Sakshi.
Women categories. This is good for us.
Question number 48, I agree with you. I want to add some points in one sided that women are compared to goddess, and on the other side, women treated as if teaching and facing many problems in India.
And this campaign is a very good. Many states are enhancing like UP, Haryana, and Rajasthan.
Yes, gentlemen, 44. I agree with you and want to add some points that this scheme promote gender equality, and this scheme promote girl to educate and support financially.
Yes, my friend, as number 39 has mentioned, the World Launcher in 2021, the categories of 90 candidates in women is good.
Yes, as chapter number 48 mentioned that entry of the girls, and it is a very important and concerning point because we can say that nowadays girls are underestimated by the people. Government also cooperating with Seva NGO, which is empowering girls.
You know that government provided many schemes like financial scheme to support girl child and discriminate fertilizing the child.
Yes, gentlemen, as you know that in our society, we are living as a male-dominated girls. We are living as a male-dominated family, but female are compensation.
I agree with you. I want to add status. The government should take action and give many schemes like Sukanya Dhani Yojana. This scheme give the higher scholarship to the girls to promote the.
Yes, and number 14, I agree. I want to add some
Be
point.
little gentle. Next 2 minutes, be little gentle. Make GT more like content based. Like okay, one whoever is like willing to give some content, other will listen, and on the basis of that content, someone has to pick another point and then continue.
Okay.
Right. So do this gentle GD for next 2 minutes. Start.
So we can also take an example of our rural areas. In the rural areas, in agriculture sectors, there are 70% of girls working in agriculture sectors, but there are very few percentage of ownership of land.
Yes, my friend, and the result of 10th and 12th class of UP's board and Benny's board like ICSE board, the girls performs are best and best of best.
Women are compared as a second-class citizens, and they have not legal status or not decision-making power.
Yes, yes, number 44.
But my friend, our scheme launched this scenarios is converting and 10 to 20% women have land authorities.
Yes, as just number 48 mentioned that authorities, the startups of India also 30% startups of India also owned by the women nowadays.
Yes, women are billionaires, and this is good for India.
Yes, and number 48, I agree with some point, but girl child in
Yes, dear friend,
burning
you know that
our family and burden
is a very
Yes, chess number 54. I agree well, and I want some points. Many girls drop out the school from the board due to the financial issues and the family not supported to the.
Yes, and I want to add a point that our government has also launched many
systems
for
which is harmful for
Yes, gentlemen,
Yes,
with the help of
yes,
this scheme,
yes, I
with the help of
agree.
this scheme, education
There
has
are
become.
many faces child marriages in India.
Yes, gentlemen, with the help of this
After
scheme.
the initiative of this scheme, girls are working many sectors like defense and girls like Isita Kishore.
Yes, yes,
in UPSC exam.
this campaign also leaked, but not our social mentality change, because we can change yourself. That the
This program.
What if group turns fish market for next 1 minute? Then
chess number
Yes,
54.
how you have to interrupt, how you have to take the lead in this situation is like this. I know what you have to do. Yes.
As chess number 34 has mentioned, it is the deepest root of this topic, and this is the another topic is political agenda. Some political parties take it as an advantage, but only a election time. But they have not corresponded in another 4 years or 5 years.
It is also society bad because our society's perception are bad.
Yeah, my friend, chess number 46, because some people take it women as assets, not liability. Take it liabilities, not assets.
But
in
nowadays we are not looking for
Find sum up, 3 people will sum up, elaborate way, even using the chess number, the content which you have taken from others. Continue.
And chess number 54 has mentioned and take like 56 and mention the Isita source like UPSC topper, and this is the initiatives effect on our societies, and this is good. And second, we are investing in like dowry system is reducing day by day because of we are working on the schemes, and then effect on like socio-economic policies are converting day by days. And second, as chess number 46 has mentioned, the scheme is good for our cultures, like initiatives like billionaires startups are growing by women, like the examples of many more than chess number 44 has mentioned, and this is good. The initiative.
Next.
Yes, as we all know that chess number 56 and 48 give the good points, like you mentioned that the sex ratio declining, and also chess number 54 tell about the discrimination in our society. So while after the launching this initiative, government taken many steps to bar this problem, and perception of society which are deep rooted, and they are think that girls are not allowed to educate outside and work in industry.
Also mentioned Avni Chaturvedi, the first pilot in our India, but in myself in Gunjan Saxena play a major role in 1919 war in major role.
Sum up. Don't bring your point. Sum up. What others have like spoken, keeping every
So we can-
points in mind,
Yes, sir.
and you need to sum up that what the topic is and what I've discussed.
So
Yes.
we conclude the topic. Everyone give a very good opinion on this topic. As chess number 46 also mentioned that the startup contributed a movement role. And the chess number 48 mentioned that chess number 44 also mentioned that. And we can difference. We know that the birds can fly only one wing. So we need a man and a woman also contribute a step together. The Beti Bachao Beti Padhao is not a slogan. That is an initiative of our government. Thank you.
Yes, chess number 54. I agree.
Perfect.